Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel. Before we get started, I'm not a doctor, don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my personal journey. And welcome to all you new subscribers recently joined the channel. We should be around 1,800 subscribers, just about. And I'll do another video when we hit 1,800. And well, today is start of week 201. My week went pretty well as far as my week went, but my wife's week is a different totally story. So as you guys know, I brought her up the ER twice this past week, last Friday and Sunday that week. And then every other day now I have to go bring her for to get the iron shot now. It's 5-shot treatments that she's got to do. So she's got 3 of them in. And this week coming up, she's got 2 more, Monday and Wednesday. And then Tuesday, I got an appointment with her with the regular doctor for a follow-up of all the stuff that's going on with her and her kidneys. So just continue keeping us in her prayers. She hasn't had any of those episodes recently. She's been kind of like really, really shaky still. But what goes on with her with her age, I guess. So I'm very vigilant with her, and I got to keep an eye on her and make sure she continues to be okay when I go walking, because I don't want to find her on the floor or anything like that. That would be awful. And guys, continue keeping her in our prayers. I didn't do the beef and butter fast as much as I wanted to. I only did it for one day. I'm gonna probably do something similar to that the week coming up there. But whenever I do it, I'll do the what Ron needs of the day and do it that way. Now the Shrinkables videos are going along really well, so thank you for that. I have like 85 videos. I have 4 more to do before the end of the month to finish out July. I did one this morning. I made a strawberry ice cream Shrinkables sandwich, and just experimenting. It came out really good. And when I perfect the recipe, I'll do like a chocolate one, vanilla, and a strawberry one on Shrinkables. Give you all low carb keto, and it came out really good. I really enjoyed it. But I'm going to be making some more another strawberry ice cream video later on, and I'll be posting that later in the week. And it's going good. Now, what else we got going on? Oh, we got the Colonial Band starting up on Tuesday night. Thursday, we got a concert over there at Brooks Pond there. If it's not raining out, I'll probably go to that one with Donna. And my friend Mark takes over Carter Park Thursday for the next 2 Thursdays. So there won't be any concerts over there for those 2 weeks. And so other than his concert, so I may go down there and check out one of his concerts. But it's going along good. It's a lot for me, Donna, because every time I go to the doctor appointments with her for her shots, I'm there 3 to 4 hours. And, she's got to sit there, and she feels like a pincushion at the end of the day. And so Friday night we did the bingo. Friday night she had a special bingo after the 4th of July. 275 people came rolling into the bingo. We had an outstanding crowd. She gave out 2 $11.99s. One had 1 winner, and there was 4 winners on the other game, so they each got 300. And we sold double the amount of pull tabs that we normally would sell. And she started a little earlier, but we still didn't get home till after 11 o'clock. And we normally get out of there about 10:15. But it's okay. It was all good. Everything came out good with the charity tickets. And, I'm just chugging along, doing the best I can to inspire you. And you continue to inspire me that no matter what you're going through, tough times like me and Donna and I, that, we can overcome our anything that we have going on. And I would encourage you to keep, take one day as God gives it to you, right? Because that's all we can really do. And on the job front, I'm going to get contact with the bus company to see if they'll hire me as a monitor. That way I won't have to do any lifting. I won't have to do any driving. I could just sit there on the bus and keep an eye on the kids, and we'll give it a try. But, I got to do something because, we're running low on cash at the end of the month, and everything's so expensive, as most of you guys and gals know. That's why sometimes I have to do what I got to do to survive and go off plan, and I don't like it because when I go off plan, I pick up weight. So I've been losing weight though, but this is the first time Friday night one of my friends there noticed that I've been losing some more weight. But isn't that a beautiful blue sky behind me over there? And over here, I'm at the apple orchard over here in Shoreland Farms. I wanted to check up on the progress of the peaches and that, and they're coming along really well. The apples are coming along. It's slow. We had a little bit of hard rain last night, but I kind of wish, we get some steadier rain, like, 1 or 2 days in a row where it just rains, and that kind of rain stays on the ground and it doesn't just wash away. But yeah, somebody get going. Again, you guys have an amazing week. Thank you for coming along my journey. And I'm going to get going, get some walking in. Oh, yeah, too, on the walking challenge, I got some issues going on again with my feet. Yeah, this feels like they're starting to split open again with the fissures on the bottom of my feet. So I'm not going to be able to get that 100 miles of walking in this month that I had hoped for. But we'll get as many miles as we can without bothering me too much. But, it is what it is, guys, right? So anyways, don't forget to comment on my video if you want me to make you anything. If you got any suggestions for me and Donna. Yeah, just, like I said, it's an adventure. Every day I don't know with her, one day to the next anymore. I'm just glad that, God's given me another day with her. And, it is what it is, guys. You got only 2 kidneys, and you lose one, you lose the other one. You're not going to live. So, I don't want to be Johnny Ray Cloud or anything like that, but, tell my wife, hey, look at this way, Donna, right? This is better than going on dialysis. And if dialysis doesn't work, you're not going to live too much longer. But, and she understands that now. And, we're just taking one day as God gives it to us. And that's all I can do. And I just, encourage you to do the same thing. Just take one day at a time, 1 pound at a time. And trust me, you guys will be fine. But that's what I'm going through every day right now with Donna. And, we got 3 appointments coming up this week. And then the following week, she's got to go back for another shot on that Monday for a regular shot. And then after that, I hope it starts slowing down for her, because she feels like a pincushion at the end of the day. And every time we go to these doctor appointments, she's tired, and she hasn't been herself in a long time. Yesterday was the first day she went grocery shopping with me in over 3 weeks. And the bingo, she hadn't been to bingo in a couple of weeks. And she felt good, but, again, like I said, it's what goes on. And that's why I said we're just taking one day as God gives it to us. So be that as I said, I'm going to get going. You guys have an amazing week. This is just a short video. I'll be posting this up later today, Sunday, by the time you see this. And keep watching for some future videos, and continue to follow those shuffle videos I got going on every day at noontime, and some other videos I post up from time to time. But I'll talk to you on the next video. Love you guys. This is Ron's Keto. Have a great day. And if anybody hasn't told you this, you guys are amazing. Love you guys.